HBO Max, streaming all killer.
I need you to oil this man right now.
Sorry about that, guys. How we doing? Morning, good morning, good morning. Yo, Zinny Chin, thank you for the Optimus Prime and Big Juggalotus with the Optimus Prime. Was that 39 months? Let me check, let me check. 39 months, my bro.
I need you to oil this man.
It's crazy to think it's been that long already, eh? Yo, Razor, thank you for the Prime as well. Crazy to think that it's been that long now. Morena, guys, Morena. Sorry, I was getting my eggs and I had to eat my eggs before I started the stream. How we doing? How we doing? Little showcase. This is what we're up to again. So you can see it's starting to look pretty clean, eh? As opposed to the other side. Still got to do this side though. You still got a lot of work to do here. And then on the other side too. Morning everybody, how we doing? How we doing? How we doing? Good morning. Morning Pixplosion, how you doing, brother? Good morning everybody, it is Monday. Monday morning here. Monday morning, ready for another week of mahi, of course. And progress. I don't know why my kick's not going live, eh? I need to figure out why that's playing up. It's like not live at all. Shit, okay. Well, I guess I'm gonna be a 2-Andy streamer for now. Yeah, I don't know why the kick's not working, my bro. Like, I might have to do my links again, maybe? Who's stoked for... Oh, I don't even watch UFC. Yeah, I don't even watch UFC, my bro, so... Excited for those that actually watch it. Thank you, Brother Razor. Sorry, my bro. I'll try and figure out why it's not working today. I don't know why. Bloody thing. Hope everyone is having a solid weekend, or is still in the weekend. Welcome. This is probably one of the safest streams you'll ever join. Why do I say that? Because it's probably safer than New York right now. Yeah, it's probably safer than New York, whānau. Holy shit, it's going nuts over there, eh? It's going pretty handy over there. Dummy, this thing has Wi-Fi connection and still gotta load the video. Also guys, I think I've found some of the first cards that I want to try and get. This one, this Bulbasaur, into this Ivysaur, into Venusaur. I like it, eh? And they all go together. That's why I kind of fuck with it. South Oaks is safer than... That is true. South Oaks is safer than... oh, I forgot my chisels. Than New York right now. Okay. Sorry about that. Also, thank you to all those that followed the Facebook. We officially hit 10k followers last night. Crazy. Crazy support. Wait, I brought out the wrong pack. Hold up. One moment, guys. Oh. Okay, now I've got the right pack. Alright. Now we can start. Fucking dumb iPad. Like it has Wi-Fi, but still not enough to like play a video. Who am I thinking? Yo, Sturdy! Sturdy with the 70 months, my bro. As a tier 3 as well. You are an absolute weapon, my bro. Thank you very much, my bro. And just like I've said for the last 70 months, feel free to cancel your tier 3 at any time, my bro, because that is a lot of money. Thank you, brother. How have you been, my bro? How have you been? Always doing a good job, long time no see. What's up, Vlad? Chill, my bro. So yes, we're still on the cleaning vibe, okay? Still on the cleaning vibes today. As you can see, it does look a whole lot cleaner. Does look a whole lot cleaner now as opposed to the other side that we haven't touched yet, which is this side. This is still quite dirty, but we're making solid progress, okay? The reason why we got to be more delicate with this is because it's pine. Grain on pine is not the best. It does not have a good reputation for being, you know, a good timber with a good grain. So that's something that we've been navigating through. And the best way to do that is with a sharp chisel, okay? Now I'm still unsure if I want to like, can you hear me all good? If I want to design it or not. Also, just showing you the first cards that I'm going to be chasing, guys, since getting back into TCG. This Bulbasaur, this Venusaur, and this Mega Ivysaur, or Mega Ivysaur, Mega Venusaur. I like these, eh? I don't know, I just like the color palettes on it. I know they're not sought after, but I like them. I think they look cool as. Hold on, guys. So yeah, those are pretty cool. Yeah, bro, like the bright colors and the black contrast, and I think they all go together as well. Like they all go together to make one picture. That's why I like them too. I'll be honest, not really out here trying to get like the gold cards. I just like the cards with the cool art. Is this a real Pokemon card? Yeah. So me and my daughter are gonna start collecting because my big girl's gotten into it, and so I am going to join her. She likes Psyduck and Mewtwo. Yeah, Psyduck and Mewtwo are her Psyduck and Charizard, sorry. I was like, yeah, copy. So those are the two she likes. Hey buddy, how are you? I'm doing good, my bro. I'm doing good. How are you? Where are we? It's notifying everyone that you're live. Yeah, it's been good, bro. It's like been real fun just seeing my kids get into Pokemon like I did all those years ago. It's yeah, a bit of a nostalgia hit. But I made them start watching from the OG series. The Indigo League, I think? Morning TikTok, how are yous? Hello. So yeah, those are the 3 cards that I'm gonna be on the lookout for. Morena Ice Block. Morena. Does anyone else get into collecting cards? I think. But the only for collection or for... No, we're not gonna resell. We're just collecting. I know there's an event up in Auckland coming up called HobbyCon. And we were gonna go. But I don't think we can anymore. Because we have a family event on that weekend. What kind of cards are Pokemon? So my daughter, T10, thank you very much. My daughter wants to get into Pokemon cards, and I was never, well off back in the day to ever get some. So I'm gonna get into it too with my daughter. Hey man, how you doing? I'm doing good, my brother. How are you? Bro, you do amazing work. Thank you very much, Jador. Appreciate you, my bro. Also, we're still waiting for Skyrim to go on sale, okay? I can't justify buying Skyrim and Steam at the moment because it's almost $70 for Skyrim, by the way. Then we can get into Skyrim RP. I've thought of a couple names for my character. Okay, rate my names that I've got. So the first name that I was thinking was Peptidicus, or Proteinicus, or Hyroxius. Those are 3 names that I was thinking of. It's cheap off... What is CD keys? Did I hear Skyrim? Yes. Because it's $20 on G2A. What the hell is G2A? Is that like... Isn't that a drink? Oliver Tree Pass. Who's Oliver Tree? Sorry, I'm very disconnected from the news of the world. Peptidicus. I just try to come up with the dumbest name. What race? I'm going to be an orc, and my character is going to be an orc from the Warhammer universe. So he got, he got transported to another realm. But in Warhammer, orcs get their powers from colours, like literal colours. Like the sneaky orcs are supposedly purple. Thank you very much for the window. Think again? Did I say that right? Yeah. So orcs get their powers from colours, their imagination in Warhammer. And apparently the sneaky ones are purple. No one's ever seen a purple orc before because they're that sneaky, okay? So I was thinking of being one of those kind of orcs, and when I see people gathered around, I'm just gonna crouch and walk through them and pretend they can't see me. Drax RP. Thank you very much, Fink again, and also North Philly NZ. North Philly, are you from there but live here? What's up, brother? If that's too loud, let me know. I heard orcs and I came. What do you mean by that? Also, brother, I gotta do my voice lines too. I'm looking forward to see who you voice in the game. Yeah, I've got to do my voice lines this week and send them off. I've only got 5 to do, so I don't mind. You don't want to know. What's up, Luke? We will work together. Yeah. So my character's just, gonna be seen by a lot of people. So hence the reason why a limited amount of lines. But I'm keen to play it, man. It's gonna be fun. If you don't know, chat, I've been given the opportunity to all the chats listening right now to voice a character in Debauchery and Magic. I'll turn that down, that's a bit loud. Thank you, Stena and Jish. Yeah, so we get to voice a character. You said that pine can become darker during processing. Could this be because... Yeah, just dirty hands, my bro. Dirty hands. So yeah, the timber we're working with today is pine. Normal Andy pine, pretty much. Thank you very much, brother Benjamin and Monster. 7-1. I don't know what that means, but okay. Matt Us, thank you very much. Well, me and you in the game, brother. Bro, that's crazy, yeah. That's crazy to think that my voice is going to be in the game. I did offer to do it for free, because the voice actor of Roadhog, he gave me advice at BlizzCon 2 years ago. Just do your first one for free for fun. And I just kind of carried that with me. I just said, give me the golden toilet and we're good. For the Emperor. For the Emperor, brother. Oh, hold on. Yelling for the Emperor from the edges of the void, of the whatever it's called. Because that's where my chapter patrols. Right on the outskirts. You bring up my anatomy and physiology plan with those names, bro. Love the vibes, as always. Beautiful work carving as well. Thank you, good sir. This looks similar to the tikis my grandpa used to make. He said it was part of the island that he could bring with him. Really cool. Oh, nice, my bro. What's your favorite type of wood? One that I don't have to pay for, my bro. No matter good or ugly, still cuts just as great. Yeah, that's the best kind of timber to carve in my opinion. Hunter and Monster, thank you very much. Also guys, it is the 15th today. This is pretty big for me as someone who never liked running. I've been running, doing 5Ks every day for 15 days. This is the first time I've ever done this in my life. And why am I doing it? Just to challenge myself. Thank you, Mum Slayer. Okay, and Josh. Is that you, Renzo? The Mum Slayer. Have you worked any hardwoods? Yo, Nakolo, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime. So, I have worked with hardwood. I do have some hardwood here too. So this is Rata. So this is Rata here. It's a hardwood here. And more commonly used majority of the time to make our weapons, whether it be the short or the taiaha, which is the our most renowned weapon that we have. So we use hard timbers like Rata. Maori is another one. Maori, the way it's probably the most beautiful timber in terms of grain. The smell, not so much because it smells like piss. There's Puriri as well. Puriri is a very beautiful timber too. Stay safe. Hey, much love to you, my brother. And yeah, we must catch up, my bro. We must catch up. Charlie, thank you very much for the roses too, my bro. Charlie bit me. Wonder where those two are these days, eh? Yeah, so with hardwoods, my bro, just the same with any other timber, really. Grain, my bro, go with the grain. It all cuts the same. Just go with the grain. So all we've really been doing with this piece is cleaning it up. Thank you, Notorious and Top Ramen King. I still want some good ramen, eh? Using oak to make a TV stand. Oh, beautiful, my bro. I think the most foreign timber I've carved, it was a purple one from Brazil. And it was similar to Maori as well. Thank you very much. Is it Igbai? What's up, Saucy? Hope you're doing good, my brother. You should do a podcast with High Man. Who's High Man? Aloha, stay blessed. Hey, aloha kako. What's up, my brother? Appreciate you, my bro. Our Cuzzy's all the way up the top of the triangle. Claren and Bengen, thank you very much for the aroha. What are you making? So we are carving a heitiki. I'll give you a look. Purple, never seen a purple one. Love the character. Yeah, bro. So a purple timber from Brazil. It got bought in when I was a student at this carving school I was at. Here we go. So this is what we're up to. Just doing a show and tell again of this heitiki. Remember, this is pine. What's up, Snare? So that's pine right there, okay? Hey, talofa Lilith. Love your name, by the way. Reminds me of Mommy Lilith from Diablo. Sorry. Yo, death, and what's that emoji? Is that a sloth? Thank you very much. So that's him there. Oh, that's it there. It's not, doesn't have a gender. But yeah, so we're cleaning one side at the moment, and then we'll switch it around to do the other. So it's double-sided pretty much. Top Ramen, Death, thank you very much for the aroha, guys. Watching from Wales, cheer my bro. Love pine. Yeah, pine does have a nice green, eh? It's very straightforward, pretty much. Roxy, make me smile. You're welcome, man. As I always say, check Discord DMs. Okay, I will do that in a bit, my bro. Just before we carry on as well, before we, carry on carving, this is more going out to anyone that can hear my voice in the streams. It is Men's Mental Health Month. This is your reminder that you're not alone. If there's no place for you that you can open up and talk to someone about what's eating you up, because we all fight our silent battles in life, and the hardest part is telling people about these silent battles that we go through. In any of these streams, whether it be Twitch, YouTube, Kick, or TikTok, you can talk to me, okay? Just want you to know. Just want you to know I'm here for you. I'm not Dr. Phil. I'm just someone that cares, okay? I just want to make that clear. Just want to make that very clear. And this goes out to all the sisters that can hear us too. Even yous, okay? Just want to make sure you can you feel safe and welcome in any part of the streams that you're watching from. Thank you very much to Daishuga for the brand new tier 1. Love you, keep it up. Love you, my bro. Keep it up. I will try, my bro. Thank you very much. What's up, Sanctus? So you just want to make it clear before we carry on. And yeah, I will be dropping a. Thank you very much for the heart, my bro. I'll be sharing a video with you guys about you know the battle that I've been on my entire life with my sister. I'm gonna share that on all my platforms, because it is Men's Mental Health Month, and it's more so to encourage Well, I hope it encourages people to open up more. I just hope, yeah, it'll encourage the brothers and the sisters to open up more. Because, you know, I do get a lot of messages saying, you know, I look up to you as a person, so I hope by me doing this, it encourages people to speak up more. So that's pretty much the main reason why I just wanted to stop and say this to you guys. Thank you very much, Mikey and Dylan. Thank you for the ice cube too, Dylan. Holy cow, Dylan. Thank you very much. Okay, I'm gonna carve a little bit now. Thank you, brother Ryan and Dylan again. And we'll carry on, eh? I wish that many more people to talk to about it more. Yeah. It's we see it a lot, eh? We see it a hell of a lot, man. And also, if there's someone, you know, within your inner circle to your family that you can see is struggling, sit down and ask them how they are, because you never know, they might change their whole perception. Thank you very much for the 10 gifties, DK Big Toes, Big Toes. Thank you very much for the aroha, guys. Yeah, I just wanted to let yous all know. I don't have all the answers, but you know, just want yous to know that I care. Nonina, thank you very much. My GPA is watching the stream now for the first time, and with tears in his eyes, he says thank you. He hasn't seen any part of home since he was from Texas as a child. Thank you for making him smile. What's a GPA? Is that a doctor? Wait, so you're from here but you live in Texas? What's the bro's name? Oh, no, don't tell me the bro's. Oh, your grandpa. Oh my gosh. It's like GPA, isn't that like a score for education? I'm sorry, Koro. Sorry, Koro. Hope you're doing good. You know, this can be your little slice of heaven too, Koro. As someone who has nothing but love and respect for our elderly. As someone, you know, who is a product of his grandparents too, being raised. Hello again. Hello again from home. And this can be your little slice of home too, Koro. Koro is like grandfather in our language, and I'm not gonna... No, I'm just saying it out of respect, okay? That's all. What's up, David? Thank you, Herbs and Darude. Darude? And Brody. I'm a mixed breed Native American and... True! We got one of the cuzzies over there, eh? True, bro. Oh, that's mean. Sorry, guys, I'm having a bit of a cordial with one of the cuzzies in Texas. Native American and Maori born in Texas. True, bro. Deruda Sandstorm. Shout out to Dennis Rodman. I don't... What? Dennis Rodman? Question mark? I thought the Knicks one. Being a British soldier, I love your respect and approach to men's mental health. True, my bro. I know it can... You know, I'm no soldier. Only in-game. The closest thing I ever get is being Ghost. Stay frosty, soldier. But yeah, I can't imagine the silent battles you go through with everything that you see, my bro, in your walk in life. But always here if you want to yarn, my bro. Always here. Yeah, that's the closest I'll ever be to a soldier, my bro, is being Ghost from COD or Soap. They're the two. Oh, and Price. They're probably the three best. Thank you for the 100 roses, by the way. So yeah, I just want to make that very clear. I'm not out here going to say I know what you're going through, because I don't. But just want you to know that I care, brother. Yo, Red Monkey, tell Kuro, love him, eh? Much love to Kuro. I know he can probably hear me, but still. Oh, all the way in Texas, my bro. Dioto Mike, thank you for the brand new tier 1 as well, good sir. Thank you. The Mantis, thank you very much, Red Dragon and Dry. for the gifties. And Asian person, is that what I said? He said blessings on you and your house. Appreciate you, koro. Aroha nui ki a koe, he aroha no te wā kāinga mō. Much love to you, koro. Love from home. That's the beauty of it though, koro. You know, there will come a time where you can come back, but at least you know where home is. And there's always a little slice of home here on the internet as well. Red Monkey, go and make koro a cup of tea. Make sure koro's all good and then put his feet up. Just popped in and Google led me to your old video. What's up, Jerry Ken? Do you accept donations now? Yes. Okay, sorry I'm not carving, but I've got to explain myself too when people come through. So the reason why I'm more open to them these days is from my nan, okay? My nan and I had a conversation about it, so she kind of sat me down. I think I was 30 at the time. I'm not forgetful, I'm just a goldfish sometimes. Denial. My nan sat me down to have a kōrero or a talk about it. And thank you very much, Chips and George. And she had been watching the streams for a while. I can say this and carve at the same time, actually. She had been watching the streams for a while, and she goes, "Why do you keep saying you don't have to?" And me, as her favourite grandchild till kids were born, mine by the way, I looked at her and went, "Really?" It was because of you. Thank you very much, Brother Finn, for the slow motions. How I like to live life, by the way. And yeah, I pretty much have been that way due to my grandparents. And she pretty much, you know, she said, yeah, that makes sense. Because my mum raised me for a majority of my life. And then I wanted to move home. And then you should go to streaming university. I don't want to. I don't want to be around loud people. I'm in my quiet dad era now. Wait, Kick just went live? Eh? Okay, that's random. Oi, keep up. Thank you very much for the galaxy, my bro. Thank you very much, my bro. So my hang on. What was like? Oh yeah, my nan basically said, it's time for you to stop saying that. Again, bro. Holy galaxy. Thank you very much, my bro. Like, genuinely, man. Oh, I'm just hoping everyone's safer than being in New York in these streams right now. Thank you, keep up. Holy shiitake mushrooms, my bro. Miracle and Von as well. So, yeah, my nan said, it's time for you to stop saying that. You have a family of your own. I know you're gonna keep trying to push it away because that's how we raised you. Thank you very much. Keep up. Appreciate you, my bro. And it was hard for me to accept. I said, Nan, that's gonna be hard. I'll try my best, but you know how you's raised me. Give everything, expect nothing. And then me and my wife were going to see my grandmother the next day, and then I get a phone call saying that she got admitted to hospital. And then as we were going up to see her, she had passed away. Yeah. So that was genuinely the last conversation I had with my nan, to be more open to subs now. And only she could change my mind. Not even my wife could, because I have a real big love for my grandparents, and I still do, even though they're not here. And I always will, and I'll carry that till the end of my days, pretty much. And I guess one big blessing that I take for myself is that my kids knew who their great-grandmother was while she was alive, and she knew them. Thank you, Delio, for the raid. Thank you very much, my bro. And something I never told the stream till a year later, after her passing is her health had been... Oh, dinosaur. Sorry, I get distracted easy. Thank you, Jesse, for the Brontosaurus. That's my favorite dinosaur, along with the T-Rex. Thank you very much. And Shaki and Connor as well. So, yeah, that was one thing I was truly grateful for, was that my kids knew who their grandmother was and who she is to this day. Unfortunately, my youngest child, mine and my wife's youngest baby, will never know who she was, but she will know of her because she carries her name now. And so, yeah, that's why I'm open to it. I know if people see the video and then see me being open to subs and they don't like that, that is totally fine. You know, if you don't like it, I'm not gonna, you know, grab a pitchfork and go, yeah. It is totally fine. Fully understand. But yeah, it took about 6 years to change, or 5 and a bit years. So yeah, through that motion of, you know, my grandmother's life and the 2 years leading up to her passing, she was very sick, and I kept this from the stream. So there were days where I couldn't stream. That's because I just wanted to be with my nan. It was just became one of those days where my heart was feeling heavy and I just really wanted to be with my nan. Because you just never know, eh? You just never know. Jay, raise up. And she had actually... Thank you, Delio, once again, brother. She had actually rested like twice within those years. And this is where I started like mentally preparing myself for the potential that my nan might leave, you know? And so the main thing I tried to focus on was, you know, that my kids were around their great-grandmother as much as they could. And then eventually, yeah, when I saw her in the bed, like, I didn't cry. I kind of just had a bit of sigh of relief for my nan, you know, no more pain anymore. And Nate, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime. Oh, you're doing Keeper of the Forest. Nice, bro. Made shoes for him. That sounds cool. That sounds cool, bro. So, yeah, that's pretty much the main reason why I'm open to, you know, subs, donos, and all that stuff. So I just wanted to explain myself to the bro that asked. And, yeah, if you don't like that, that's totally fine too. I'm not going to hold it against you, brother. That is totally fine. Supporting anyone in the World Cup? Not really. Not really, my bro. I'm waiting for NFL. What's up, Ricky? Nice work, man. Appreciate you, Fakun. Thank you for the spring football, Boothie. So yeah, I just wanted to explain. And yeah, hope that's okay. Hope that's okay. And what I'm currently saving for in life is a house for me and my family. But yeah, the first big purchase I ever made as, you know, Brox, was my grandmother's funeral costs. Yeah. Oh, and a fridge. So that was about it. I'm already spent 80 hours on the carving. Nice, bro. I'd say like 50 hours plus would be like a minimum for you, right? Majority of the time I barely scratch like 30 hours. So much love to the bro and the TikTok live that asked. Thank you for the Your Awesomes and Mr. Gossett and Jason. Thank you very much for the roses too. Yeah, but I raise them. They're essentials, my bro. Okay. That was one of my wishes in life too, when I got married, was for my nan to see it. Like even in my speech, you know, I thanked everyone that had come to the wedding. And I didn't... Someone sent the galaxy? Oh, I'm sorry. Thank you very much, Psycho Fear, for the finger heart. Finger heart, the galaxy, and also, sorry, I go back usually. Jason for the roses, Mr. Gossett for the finger as well. Thank you very much to the bro. Full stop for the galaxy, and La Familia for the roses too. Sorry I missed your galaxy, my bro. I'm sorry about that. Did you know the job place called Tikoha Health? No, not really. Sorry. Nah. How you been, Vlad? Oh yeah, so we're working with Pine at the moment. I always put the timber in our stream title. Kari and Donald, thank you very much for the aroha. Yeah, sorry, I don't know what that thing is called. Carl, thank you for the car pies. How's the family? Well, this morning was stressful. Just my two big girls were fighting and overstimulated me, and I forgot my wallet. And then while we were driving, ding dong, fuel is low. Yeah. So I just told the girls, oh well, if we run out of gas, we're running to school. But hey, we made it. We made it. And my second daughter was like, yeah, let's run, Dad. And my big girl was like, no. Harvey, thank you very much. And Big X. So yeah, you know, I have those kind of mornings too. But we're back now. We're back. I managed to put in $30 of 91. How much liters in gas do you think they got me? Did I? 30, yeah. 5, 4, well, 9. Half a Powerade. Bro, it's crazy how much the gas is, eh? Half a Powerade is actually a W comment. Shit all. Yeah, pretty much like 9. I think it was 9.34 on the thingy. Half a Powerade, that's actually a good comment. I'm a carpenter, I love this kind of woodworking, it's simple art. Thank you, brother. You do a little, you got any stuff to show on the old Instagram at all, my bro? Which model of phone do you have? If you forgot your wallet, you can use. I don't like that. I don't like Apple Pay stuff. Call me old fashioned. I still use my swipe card and not a debit card. Not a fan of that. Yeah, so I don't use it. Call me old fashioned. Flintstone. I understand. Rico, thank you very much for the rose, my bro. And also we have Steel as well. Yeah, I don't use the phone card thingy. Yeah, it's not for me. It's not for me. I'm not a tinfoil hat person. I just don't want to have it. I mainly only carry my wallet for my license, pretty much. I thought you disappeared. Oh, some of me did. See, look. Some of me disappeared. About this much. Half a Powerade. Fuck, that's a good one, my bro. Yo, is it Mudhick and Big Factory? What species of wood? This is pine. Pine, my bro. Nothing crazy. Just need a sharp chisel, bro, and it cuts like butter. Yeah, so in a sense, you are correct. I thought you disappeared. Or some of me did in the front. Old fashioned, this is when you check your email only on the computer. You know, sometimes I forget I have an email on my phone, and I turn the computer on. So you are right, Vlad. All of them, but there are a few cool things that I've built. Oh, nice, brother. Bro, that's mean, bro. Big factor in steel. Thank you very much for the aroha. When I say mean, like cool. Some slang. Mean and gangster. Like, fuck, that's pretty gangster. That's pretty cool. That's pretty amazing. Sorry, guys. Rip Oliver Tree. What does Oliver Tree do? Big love from Antigua and Barbuda. Sure. Oh, he's a rapper. Oh. Oh, really? Oh, shit. Dude, fuel tax and rent pricing is wild. It is, bro. Tempting to do a head and tongue for my taiaha making for my boy's 21st. Because I haven't seen one person treat long time, but I think I'm on track. Oh, nice, my bro. As long as you like... Oh, shit. Did I miss another one? All the way from Scotland. Cheer, my bro. Did you craft Maui's weapon? No. Ryan? Is it Ryan? Thank you very much for the galaxy, my bro. I'm sorry I missed that. And Hussein Khan as well for the cat. Carrying on. And then Leon with the 50 roses. Sorry, I don't know if any other people scroll back to say thank you. Miles for the ice cubes and Marquise for the roses too. And Minato, Elder, and Nan for the gifties as well. I'm sorry I missed that. Can you legally adopt me? No, because I'm stressing out with 3 kids. I don't need another. Sorry. Especially one that's on TikTok. Fuck no. My kids, they were going, Dad, when can we jump on social media? So when you beat me in a fight. They're like, hey! We don't want to fight you. Exactly. Think smart. Hey. Thank you very much for the gifties, guys. Yeah, I just yeah, I don't want them on there, eh? All I've really been doing with them in terms of upbringing is making their skin hard, man. It's more with my oldest, my second daughter, fuck. She's got diamond level skin when it comes to insults. Like people are like, some kids will try and get smart to her. She goes, I'll just choke you out. I do jujitsu. Go away. I'm like, don't become the bully. Bro. Yo, what's up, Nikachu? Cheer, my bro. Yo! Holy hicka, that's a huge raid. Kia ora, Zara. Kia ora everyone that's come through from Zara's raid. My dad and mum passed away when I was young. Me along with some help of my family. Spending hours working on carvings is really cool to see. With my own eyes, I've been working on a piece that's a blend of my Apache heritage scene. Oh, mean, bro. Joe, so you fuck up to the Apaches, eh? Joe, bro. Okay. Thank you very much, Zara, for the humongous raid. First of all, hello, Zara. Kia ora. Before we carry on, I just want to show the bro Red Monkey. So, I've found a cousin that's Whakapapa Maori and Whakapapa Apache as well. So I want to show some carvings that I've done for him too, because he's a bit of a carver. Hang on, my bro. Okay. So, we've found a whanaunga that lives in America. Thank you very much once again, Zara. That's a crazy raid. How was your stream? So, Razor, to the Kazi Red. So, here's a whanaunga that has come across the stream that lives in Texas, who's also, you know, got toto Maori or Maori blood in him. And also, you know, his taha Apache as well. Na iwi take o America. And yeah, this is a popo, my bro. This is one that we done a while ago. This one here. So this is Ngāti Tarawhai. Oh, not Ngāti Tarawhai, like Te Arawa style. This one here. I'll show you as well, TikTok, don't worry. So this is one we done a while ago. This one here. So these, where you normally find a popo is in our wharenui, so in the meeting houses, my bro. This is kind of how we portrayed our tipuna rane, our ancestors, my bro, and one of the many styles of mine and your people, okay? So this one here, so this design is called Taratara Hakai here. This is a design that's normally used by tribes in the East Coast. Talks about the story of Kai and how he killed someone's whale, and the only way they could identify him was by his ugly teeth, and that's what these notches represent. And how did they identify him? Well, the owner of the whale used his sisters, so they set up a plan, and well, they dropped their shirts, and boy did he have a big smile, and that's how they found out it was him. So that kind of talks about Kai there. And this style of popo is Te Arawa style. Thank you very much, Will and Kinda. There it is, TikTok. This is actually one we're potentially going to give away. Oh, Big Joe Deertay's in the chat. How are you, brother? Thank you, ZK and Brother Will. So that's him there. So this is one carving that potentially may give away, or maybe better to sell, because I'm saving up for a house. And so, with this here, so this is a heitiki that we're doing, and this is one that we've finished, okay? So this is rata, this is a hardwood, and this was one we did for fun, okay? Here you go, TikTok. That one there. Holy Swan, Mason, thank you very much, and Rodrigo, and Moth as well. Got a crown on, and Street Rat. So that's a heitiki here. So this is one we finished last year. That one there. So you can see that, you know, there's two different forms in it, eh? We got the one form, the squarish one, and the more round common one at the top that you can see. Same again using Taratara Hakai, but then I did it in a more contemporary form on this side as well, along here, just to see what it looked like really. This is just me having fun. And then I took the ridge out on this side too to see how it turned out. That's in there. So that's one heitiki that we did. And then this one here. This is another one. Oh, sorry, I was supposed to show you, TikTok. There you go. So this is one that we've done too, okay? There you go. So this is all made out of rata. R-A-T-A is how you spell it. It's one of our hardwoods that we have. Thank you, Brother Braden and Lachlan. Kia ora. So that's in there. Dr. Pepe. I went through a Dr. Pepper phase at one point. I won't lie, I kinda like it. Platforms. And we still got two more that I'm gonna share. It's amazing. Only so much he remembers. He was young and has taken from teaching me about my heritage in Texas. There's not a lot of Maori culture. I can fully understand that, my bro. Does sorry to ask, do you know where Koro's from, my bro, in terms of here? This is another one that we've done too. So this one here. Then they got the rape in the middle. This is my favourite design that I always do. It was the first design that I ever learnt. There's another one here. Another one there. Oh, bloody kids have been bedazzling my work. Okay, I gotta clean this all off. So that's in there. Yes, I did this one a while ago. I actually did this for, I think I did this for, I can't remember what it was. But it was with like other big names from Aotearoa. What's up, brother Jeff? How are you, my bro? And two more to show. Actually, 3 more to show. So yes, I may sell these or do a giveaway. We might do a giveaway when we do the GTA marathon. Okay. Now, unfortunately, he remembers some soldiers coming and then he was going to a new place. Oh, true. True, my bro. Oh. Okay. So this is a tickle tickle. Now, as you can probably see, a tickle tickle is a 3-dimensional carving, okay? Are you a fatu, brother? Nah, no, I'm not. Fatu? I am not. I apologize. Yeah, so this is a tickle tickle here. So these are our like 3-dimensional carvings that we do, okay? Right there. When did we do this one? Years ago, eh? Sorry. Commissions are closed at the moment. Because we've been doing quite a few. And we're almost done though. Then we can reopen them. So this tickle tickle here is yeah, so basically this is what our tickle tickles look like. The 3-dimensional carving, pretty much. That one there. And we have one more to show. So it is a popo. It is a much bigger piece. Okay. And we did this one a while ago. This one here. Thank you very much, JP, and also Maddie as well. General idea when they're open again. So after this one, I have to do so after this one I've got to do one more and two more after this one. Yeah, 2 more, bro. There we go. How much have I done? So on and off I've done like 10. Online and offline too. So this is a popo in the Mātātua style. So this is a tribe I'm from. Trust me, there's bigger ones than this. So this is a Mātātua tribal style. This one here. This is made out of kauri. Kauri. So Mātātua style popo traits is the arm. So you see how it goes bam and then straight across. That's a trait there. Along with like the mold too. You can see the mold is quite simple, eh? And also quite thin. That's how you know that it's a Matatua style popo, this one here. So that's him there. We done this on the 2nd of the 6th, 2021. When was that? Straight after lockdown, eh? Yeah, straight after lockdown days, I think. Yeah. I don't know. Here we go, TikTok. You should apply for Streamer University. No thank you, my bro. There it is. And that's one that we've done too. So my reasoning for not wanting to apply, I'm old. I'm 34. Obviously I don't feel old, but I'm at a point in my life where I hate being around noisy people, bro. I'm in my, quiet dad era now. I'm not really, fixated on leaving my family to go and do things. I actually enjoy, I'm at peace most being around my family, pretty much. Being with them in their presence. The only thing that will make me change that is this thing I got to go to in America in September. But it's only for the weekend and then I'm going straight home. They said, do you want to do an extra day to go to Disneyland? I said, fuck Goofy, fuck Mickey Mouse, I'm going home. So yeah. Oops. I'll fix that later. Yeah, so that's that's my reason why I don't want to go, bro. Yeah, I'm just at a point in my life where it's not really something I'm interested in. All power, all power to Kai. That man, he's an innovator and he's really good at what he does. But yeah, for me, it's there are others that will benefit from that opportunity more than me. That's for sure. That's for sure. What are your thoughts on Carlos Ulberg being the champion? Oh, good on him. That's what happens when you show mercy in a fight. You get chin checked. Did you now see the Zelda trailer? Yeah, bro, I did. Oi! Yo, Juan, thank you very much for the galaxy, my bro. Had to correct myself there. I know that the J can be an H at some point. Cheer, my bro. And Reese as well with the galaxy and Alf with the roses. Thank you very much, guys. What's up, yes sir? How you doing? You should teach a class on how streamers need to tone it down. Noisy bastards, man. I'll be like Coach Carter. Run the laps! I got Unk here from Diamond Gym too. If he's gonna be noisy little shits, he's gonna hit the hill. Until Unk is satisfied. I watched the Diamond Gym video of him with destroying. Holy shit. Yeah, I felt that, bro. That's it, eh? That Coach Carter? Denzel Washington? I think that's it. I have not seen that movie in a long time, man. Samuel L. Jackson. Oh my gosh, I got it wrong. See how much I don't watch anything these days? 100 burpees double time. Wait, have you seen it? It's 100 burpees plus 3 push-ups in between. That's his new thing that he's doing. Holy shit. Fuck that. I'd rather have a fist fight with a cactus than do that. Hey, much love, brother Brock. Appreciate you, my brother. Whereabouts are you in Aotearoa? In Rotorua, my bro. Well, spelling. Samula. Brother Samula. I'm gonna start calling him that now. In between, yeah, he's making them do a burpee, then 3 push-ups into another burpee these days. It's crazy, bro. Bro, the wood works amazing. Appreciate you, my brother. Alfred, thank you for the tiny diner, and Cuba's Salav as well. And Juan again. I used to live by Rainbow Mountain. Oh, you lived out there? Flash follow. It's amazing work. Thank you for taking the time and showing and explaining everything. It's definitely... My kids say thank you for making my great granddad and Pops smile and cry. Hey, hang on. Nā mihi I te tuatahi ki tō kraua, my bro. First of all, you know, acknowledgement to your papa, my bro. And koro, grateful to have you watching. And you know, if it's a little slice of home that you can see all the way over there, ngā mihi nui ki a koe, koro. Much love to you. And always gonna be here Monday to Friday. Sometimes on the weekends it's other stuff, but yeah, Monday to Friday I normally do Whakairo, okay? So mena kāre koe te mahi I tētahi mea I tētahi rā. Hara mai ki te mātaki. Come and watch anytime you want. Just make sure Koro's got a cup of tea and a biscuit. That's all. Hey, if aliens show up, can you show humanity? No, I'm going to tell the aliens to go to America because they're always there, because they like the bums over there more than anywhere else in the world. Why do you think they go there all the time? I'm going to tell them, oh bro, this is Aotearoa, America's that way. You like the bums on that side of the world, don't you? Can do video calls, always keep me amazed. J-Rob, I appreciate you, my bro. You been training? Yeah, I have been. I haven't really been focusing more on strength these days because, you know, I did do powerlifting back in the day, but something I'm aiming more for these days for myself is fitness. Fitness pretty much, and I've been running 5Ks every day for this month just to see if I can do it really. And there's been some cold mornings, my bro. There's been some cold mornings. Yeah, sorry to the bro about the alien question, but I'm gonna direct them straight to America. Denzel Samula. It's the goat. What's up, brother? Bro, Big Sean, thank you very much, my bro. How are you before armed?
I need you to oil this man right
Come
now.
to Ireland. I'd love to go to Ireland one day. Mata Slays, thank you for the 3 months as an Optimus Prime, my bro. Cheira Mats. How are you, my bro? How are you? Yeah, so some of the countries I'd love to visit in life. Oi, what was that? Some of the countries that I'd love to visit, you know, one of them being Ireland, Scotland be another one. Switzerland, because they got the mean mountains over there. Japan. Japan is definitely a trip I'd love to do. I'd love to go to all the islands where my tupuna were, so the Tahiti, Hawaii, all through there, like just retracing my ancestors' steps. Carpenter from Ireland, hey my brother. Well, can you say what you're talking about really fast? Oh, countries that I'd love to go to in life, pretty much. Thank you very much, Griffey. I'd love to go to South Africa to see the wildlife, and the culture, pretty much. That's probably one thing I'd love to do. If I was to go to Hawaii, I'd want to go to Oahu and, you know, connect with all the tangata whenua, all the kazis. Because kind of the way our people see it here is that they're kind of like tuakanas to us. They're like our our older cousins to us. Can you make a butt plug? Use your thumb. If that's not enough, use the other one too. Let's ride. And when you're done, sniff them so you understand how shit your behavior is. Where are we? You got no idea how proud your kids will be. Oh, I hope so, my bro. I hope so. Like, they do, you know, one of the things they always say is, we're proud of you, Dad, and I won't lie, I get emotional when I hear that from them, because it's not something I expect. Yeah. Like a hand over heart, yeah, I get emotional hearing that from my kids. You should make a hurl. What the hell is that? You're the best, Dad. I'm trying to be the best, my bro. You know, trying. I'll never claim that I am. Just trying to be the best version of me that I can for them. They do get growlings though. They're not, you know, there's not always a good day for them. But in the sensei, lucky. I've got some good conquerors, Haki. When they do something bad, I just look at them and they know, oh, we fucked up. But you know, when they do something bad, like the one thing I only ask from them is, the only thing I ask from them is your ears. You know, use your ears and be honest. Like if you do something bad, just tell me the truth. I'd rather you tell me the truth than lie to me, pretty much is what I tell them. The hurl is from Irish sports. Oh, okay. The hurl. What does it look like? I'll be honest, I don't necessarily want to carve things from other cultures unless I learn it by living amongst it, pretty much. Yeah, that's all. I'll never carve anything outside of my culture. Other than a Hisuian Voltorb. I've listened to 2 book series and their Kiwi accents. Oh, true! I saw on Gears of War, the bro is playing Tai. Is he quite a beloved character in the Gears of War universe? I didn't play it much, so I genuinely don't know. But the guy who voices Tai, or was it Kai from Gears of War, actually lives here. He's an arm wrestler. Forgot to defrost the chicken. It's the worst day. Especially when you pull the chicken out midday, you know you're not having chicken for tea. Which reminds me, I need to do the same. His character is awesome. True. Can someone give me the lowdown of the character? Like the TLDR. Vinny LI, thank you very much for the aroha. Bigger. I think I've seen something like that before. Yeah. I think I have. Yeah, for me, like if I'm going to carve something from another culture, Tai was really loved by me. True, is he that? I need to get into Gears of War. Eh? I never really had the chance to play Gears of War. Obviously, I didn't own an Xbox because, you know, we didn't have the moolah to get one. My cousin had an Xbox, but he only had Halo, so we only played Halo. Yeah, I've actually never played Gears of War, ever. You're amazing. You're amazing. I'll tell you right now there, boy. Much love, brother. Yeah, so pretty much all we're doing on this piece right now is cleaning. Cleaning is pretty much what we're doing. So I don't mind having a yap and you know, shh along the way. Jay, brother, how are you, my bro? I saw your message in the Discord this morning. Sorry, my bro, I tend to keep busy all the time, so I could never be on all the time. What does whānau mean? Family, not a Vin Diesel reference, by the way. Yo, brother BJ and Henry, thank you very much for the aroha, my bros. Family. Thank you, brother Henry, for the 50 TikToks, my bro. How long have you been carving? For about 22, 23 years, when I was 12. And now I'm 34, turning 35 pretty much this year. Isn't Boba Fett and all the clones in Star Wars Kiwi? No, they're Te Arawa. They're from here. They're even better than a Kiwi. They're Te Arawas, like me. Yeah, Timura Morrison's from Rotorua. Where are we? Have you gone viral before? You look familiar. Yes. Yes, I have. From the one clip that you're probably thinking of. Love you, bro, from America. Brother Isaiah. Love you too, my bro. How are you, my bro? I hope you're not in New York. Because boy, oh boy, that looks too much over there right now. Congrats to the Knicks. Even though I don't really watch basketball anymore. 53 years, eh? Was the last time they won. Was it 53 years? Legal Union. I watch both. Thank you very much, Elsia Antonio, for the money gun and Gabriel for the rose. Kia ora. You watching the World Cup? Not for me. It's not for me. Yeah. The only things I enjoy watching is rugby league and NFL, and when Faker's on. When Faker's playing. When everyone says Ronaldo or Messi, I normally say Faker. Yo, Cat, what's up, my bro? Thank you very much for the 17 months, my bro. Since 73. Far out. That's a pretty mana curse to break, eh? You play league. I've only just gotten back into it. You watch NFL? What team do you watch? Go Birds, baby. Go Birds. Just for Jordan, my bro. Jordan's my favorite player. And so I've been following the Birds since he got in. Because I'm planning to do some Madden content as well, but the main focus will be around me and what I'm going to do. Obviously I'll play the game, but yeah. So yeah, I just watched the Eagles. I reckon you'll do good in footy? Oh, bro. I'm only just getting back into running. Jordan is such a blessing. Yeah, he's my favorite player, bro. He's a really good dude, eh? Really good dude, and I think that's why I like him so much. Not only as a player, but just as a human being as well. He's a good dude. What happened to our music? How's Pokemon going? JP, I'm about 83 resets into Charmander. I'm at the point where I just want to play Fire Red now. And I've been playing Legends EA as well. We've been playing a bit of that. It's been fun. Legends EA is actually cool. Although, you know, I'm more a bit of we should be out in the wild, you know, playing Pokemon kind of thing. Thank you very much, 46 boy. Holy shit, my bro. Thank you very much for the aroha, brother. How often do you sharpen your tools? When it doesn't feel so sharp anymore, maybe once a month, maybe? Yeah. Thank you very much, 46 boy. And Lil At as well. Kia ora, bro, just curious, do you do mahi pounamu? I have, but it's something that I want to do in the future. Like, as I mentioned, when we get a house, something that I want to do is, yeah, get some gears to do stone carving, my bro. And it could be another thing we could get into. Goat. Hey, what's up, brother? You're a great role model. Yeah. The thing I just try and be is a good example. Yeah, that's the one thing I want to try and be. Thank you, Pepe Puppy, and also Odo. Thank you very much, guys, for the gifties. Yeah, that's the one thing I want to try and be, is just a good example. If people can, you know, find something from tuning in or seeing anything that I post and it helps them, you know, progress to become a better version of themselves in life, then that's the W I hold. But if you're that Brock's account on Facebook that's from Montana, that's pretty dumb. That's why I had to make a Facebook, because someone from Montana was trying to be me. But I gotta say, man, bro, Facebook pulls up, hey. I'm waiting for our first, like, racist to show up, or first, like, Karen. So we can farm them. It's usually a private profile, or it's a car profile photo. So yeah, we just hit 10k on Facebook last night. Thank you very much for the fireworks, Mark, and AP for the You're Awesome as well. Do you paint after finish? We will be using tongue oil, my bro. Yeah, that's what we'll be using. Whereabouts are you from? Aotearoa, New Zealand, my friend. So yeah, all we're doing is just cleaning up everything, pretty much. How's the weather there? Not too bad, my man. They're in Montana. Yeah, random, bro. Just someone trying to be me on Facebook. I'm like, oh, shit. Okay, that's random. Didn't Penguin help this guy a lot? Who's Penguin again? Oh, Moist Critical. Yeah, he dropped into the stream years ago. And he dropped some subs. He's a good dude. I'd love to meet him one day, but obviously it may be impossible because, you know, the lives we live. I love your accent, and I love you. Nah, much love, fella. AHD, thank you very much for the love. And oh my days, what was that? Gabriel. I find your stream relaxing and enjoying watching your work on your art. Thank you very much, brother Gabriel, for the biddies, my bro. As long as you enjoy it, brother, that's the main thing. That's the main thing, my brother. Where are we? Hi, Brock's from Ethiopia. Kia ora, my bro. Far out, the chat's moving too fast. You're skillful. We always, you know, there's always room to be better. Yo, R8, thank you very much. And Elvis. R8 or R84. Sorry about that, brother. P. I finally caught one live. Thank you very much for the galaxy, my bro. And right behind you, the bro Austin for the good morning. And as a lion, a wolf as well. And what in the font is that name? Thank you for the roses, my bro. Is that a R and a P and a T and a K? Shut. Love from Germany. Cheer, my brother. Yeah, my stomach's not feeling so great today, chat. I'll tell you. But we carry on. I should be all good. Should be. I think it might have been something I ate last night. I don't know. See what happens when you have fast food for, you know, leaving it off for months. It's yuck. Thomas and Didi, thank you very much. And RPTK again. Didi! Didi! Get out of my laboratory! Okay. We may be able to clean this one up now. Where are we? What are you sculpting? A heitiki. What's up, Sticks? So we're doing a heitiki. I'll just show everyone here. So we're just in the cleaning process right now. Right there. So this is what we're cleaning right now. And then we have the other side to do as well. And that one there. Get out of my laboratory. Where are we? Do Taiahas. Yes, at the moment I'm unable to because too much mahi to do. Next one that I want to do is my own one. What are you making, ET? No, this is a heitiki. Lots of love from Germany. Jeez, it must be late over there, my bro. Thank you very much. Is that a hat or a steak? Oh, it's a... What is that? Hold up. Oh, it's a T-bone emoji. Thank you very much for the gifty, my bro. I was like, what the hell is that? Okay. These are gonna be tricky to clean. There's one way, like if the pine is like really dry. One other stain you can use is terps. It does make it easier, but I just don't like the smell, so I don't use it. Too much on the nostrils. Haven't seen you in a minute. How you been? What's up, Claudio? Thank you, Caliber, for the roses too, my bro. Can you explain what you're making? So what we're currently making right now is called a heitiki. Now they're not normally this size. They're not normally this size at all. They're normally smaller in pendant size, so we normally wear them. So the reasoning for this one being, you know, a bit bigger is, you know, this is a decorative piece, pretty much. So this is more of a decorative piece, this one, but yeah, they're normally smaller and we wear them so they can represent protection, fertility as well, because the actual form of it actually comes from that of a baby, a newborn. So the reason why the head's tilted too. So it's kind of from, you know, that aspect of a child. And we normally name them after our ancestors too. And that one there. This one won't have an ancestral name. It's just purely decorative. This one here. And that one there. Yo, Fazita! Thank you very much for the 17-month arenas. Thank you very much, Big Fazita. I hope you're doing well. What's the time? Oh, it's almost 11, guys. Blessed to come across your presence. How are you, brother Trev? Cheer, my bro. So the reason why I play game music all the time is because it's safe to play for the YouTube. For the YouTube channel. If you haven't followed the YouTube channel already, go through, give it a follow. So I've been posting more short form there than anything. Oh man, I'm getting cold now. Whew. Maybe when we hit the 2 hour mark we have a bit of a coffee break. What's the most important lesson wood carving has taught you? That's a good one. Because there's been so many. Hey, there have been so many. I think the most important thing that it's taught me is, you know, always go with the flow of things. Never go against, because, you know, if you go against the grain, it's going to break more, you know? It's always going to break more. And that's kind of the way it's kind of the way I live my life too, go with the flow. I'm not really a fast pace or in a hurry kind of person. I never am. Follow just came from TikTok. Hey, thank you very much for following the YouTube channel. Appreciate you. You might like this POV a bit more. Whew. That's the one thing about losing so much weight, man. You get cold faster. Thank you very much, Tiwai and Railways? Did I say that right? I hope I did. Te wai marino. Tēnā koe. Te wai marino. Nā mihi nui korua. Where are we? Hello there, wave emoji, kei te pia. Holly, thank you very much. Are you the guy that wanted to give the money back? Hello, sir. Yeah, it's me. How are you? How are you, brother? Alright, it's getting cleaner. Hello from Malaysia, tēnā koe. Tēnā koe, Holly, nā mihi kia koe. I'm good, bro, how about yourself? Yeah, not too bad, not too bad. Just, you know, it's Monday today. So let's start the week off strong and get a shit ton of work done. Not gonna lie, I'm a bit of a, you know, majority of the time I like Mondays. Majority of the time. Hello from Scotland, tēnā koe brother. Milan, thank you for the flower. G'day from across the ditch. G'day mate, how you doing? Oh no. From Tunisia, kia ora. I'll tell you what, I'll have a break soon. And just have a couple yarns and then we'll carry on. How long would a piece like this usually take? Offline, I would probably finish this within the week it started. But that would have been boring as, because I had no one to talk to. Can't talk shit with anyone. I mean, yeah, it would have got done, but whew. There would have been no good yarns. And those are the things I enjoy the most along the way when it comes to Whakairo. Having a good yarn. Hello from England. You should be asleep. Isn't it like late as in England? Feel horrible? Maybe have a rest, my bro, or a shower. That always helps for me. Okay. The hard part is gonna be in here. came across your live. Yeah, bro, you're in England, bro. Isn't it like late as in the EU for everybody? Hello from New Brunswick, Canada. Kia ora, my bro. Brunswick, Canada, eh? What's the time in Canada? Actually, what's the time for everyone right now? From Idaho. Kia ora, my bro. What's up, Arch? Yeah, but that's me. What's up, Nors? How you doing, my bro? Yeah, there's a lot of people from the UK in here. They should be asleep. Nova Scotia. 8 PM. Couple of 11s in there. 6 PM. Yeah, there's quite a lot of 11s in there. Ireland, Perth, midnight, Manudua. Currently AST in New Zealand, Brunswick, Canada, 6 PM in Texas. 1:57, 8:57. Far out, these time zones are crazy, eh? Kia ora from the Philippines. Oh, the sun. Shit. What's the time for you? Right now it is 10:58 AM. It feels later, I'm not gonna lie. Feels way later. I think my plan today, when my kids finish school, I will go and see my godson. What's up? I don't know, PSI, Bulavinaka, brother love from the US. Oh, you're all the way in the USA. How's it over there, my bro? Wales. Yo, what's going on, brother? What's up, Sigma? How you doing, brother? Thank you very much to Zaki Boy, and what is that name? I can barely see it. Hold on. Oh, it's Bo. Sorry. The fonts were throwing me off a little bit there. Hope you're well, dude. Preaching, I'm doing good, my brother. I'm doing good. Bit of a crook stomach today, but you know, I'm not gonna let that stop me from getting a stream in for you guys. All we're really doing right now is just cleaning anyway. I'm just trying to get into those hard to reach places. Especially with you know, the flat that I've been using to clean. Not bad, not bad. A little hot, but oh, true. That's right. It'll be summer for the northern hemisphere, right? Oh my gosh, the sun. So it's reflecting off the house, and it's like beaming my eyes. My best friend. I'm in Queensland. It's friggin' freezing here. I just turned my aircon off and still wrapped up in bed. Oh, I'd love to be wrapped up in bed right now. No. Gotta get outside and get a stream in. Actually, nah. Being in, I'd actually get annoyed being in bed this long. This late into the day. My friend broke my heart. Oh, true, my bro. Damn. Is that what you were asking about last night? What are you making? A heitiki, my friend. Hey Tiki. Also fun if you haven't followed any of the socials. Don't worry about Twitter because fuck, I don't use that much unless there's cool art on it. That bloody Twitter's just a cesspool of drama these days. If you haven't followed any of the socials, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Twitch, Kick, TikTok, go through and follow the other ones too. I'm on Facebook now as well. We're on the mug book. We're on the mug book. we'll most likely be getting into some Skyrim RP soon, okay? What is your favourite project you've done? All of them. Pretty much all of them, brother. It's more so, you know, the memories I made along the way, pretty much. Do you have any tattoos? I do, on my arm. What are you making? A heitiki. Well, we're cleaning it right now, really. Do you get sick of people asking the same question? No, not really. You should have seen back when I started, about a good 51 people would ask what kind of timber is that every day. Maybe even more, actually. And I always told them what it was every single time. And we'll continue to do so. We'll continue to do so to this day. Oh, the bro Kif's just messaged me. Yo, Nikitude, you still in the kick chat? Skyrim soundtrack. Yeah, I'm actually pretty excited to jump into Skyrim RPA. It's gonna be cool. You literally can't hate this man. Oh, there are people that find a way. There are people that find a way. I tell you. You mean Skyrim RP this weekend? If I could get a copy of Skyrim earlier, then earlier. But yeah, most likely gonna be a orc. But all the orcs that I've seen in Skyrim are all, you know, big booty plate wearers. I'm gonna be the sneaky one. Or the one that thinks he's sneaky anyway. Supporting from England, all the way from England, eh? Cheer, my bro. Thank you very much to I'm a Beast and YJ710 for the dinosaur. Kia ora. Hold up. You should do a YouTube video just talking about yourself and... Should I? Okay. Should I do that? I don't know if people would watch it though. Like talking about myself and my aspirations. Chill chat stream when you show all your work. I could, yeah, I could do that. Do people want me to do a video like that? I don't know if anyone would want to watch it. Do a Q&A. Yeah, I was thinking like get the questions through Instagram and do it for a YouTube video. That could be the way. Yeah, talking Grandpa down to the river to feed the ducks. We hope to see your stream again. Hey, much love to you and Koro, my bro. Have a good time with Koro and the ducks, brother. And I will see you next time, okay? Much love to you and Koro, my cousin. All the way over in Texas. Kia ora, my bro. Wow, that's cool. We come across someone that's of Maori and Apache descent, and they live in Texas. That's a cool little hononga to make, I must say. Thank you very much, Big Papa and LB. What is that? Smells cigarette. Ew. Hang on. Yuck. They're walking down the road. I just got a strong smell of cigarette and I was like, Hope the day has been amazing. Cheer, brother Robbie. Yeah, the day's been good, my bro. The day's been good. Am I tripping or do I hear Skyrim? You do, sir. All praise to Akatosh, unless you like clap someone on your first run through just to get into the Dark Brotherhood. Then praise the mother. Praise the mother there, brother. Are you a gamer? I have been a gamer since Sonic 1, my friend, and that was back in shit the 90s. Would you ever do a draw my life video? How does that work? Like me draw my life? I'd put me in Batman's uniform, making breakfast for the kids. Yeah, me draw my life. Jeez, I don't know. I've never thought about that. I haven't seen him in a long time. Kia ora, sir. How have you been? Draw my life. Okay. Yo, what up, Nick? Kia ora, bro. Do you ever jam ESO? Always had rough ping for NZ. Nah, I jammed it one time a long time ago, my bro. But nah, not anymore. I want to get into this Kaizo online thing everyone's been jamming. The old Skyrim RP. Have you heard about that, bro? Cheer, by the way, my bro. What's your favourite kind of wood to carve? One that I don't have to pay for. Thank you, Andre, for the roses. Good mornings from the Philippines. Kia ora, my bro. Not trying to be offensive. What's your ethnicity? How? That's not offensive at all. I'm Maori. Or, yeah, Maori. Some say I might be half Cronin. Hi, my name is Cork. Maybe. But yeah, Maori, my bro. Love watching your content. Thank you, my brother. So, Maori's, in hindsight, you know, come under, you know, there are some Maori that say, we're not Polynesians. But they're not very open-minded, in my opinion. So I myself say yes, I am a Polynesian, but I'm a Maori most of all. Ron, thank you very much for the galaxy, my bro. Thank you very much, brother Aaron. Like Moana in the movie. Kind of, yeah. Kia ora from Puerto Rico. Kia ora, my bro. Ron. Thank you very much for the galaxy, brother Aaron. Okay, these legs are looking mighty clean now. Go to Oshag Hennessy's office. Yeah, man, been seeing a lot of people on the Skyrim RP. Yeah, bro, it looks cool. It looks cool. I'm gonna, yeah, give it a go. The idea of head is to pretend to be one of the orcs from Warhammer. Purple coloured one to be precise, or not so much colour and skin. So the purple coloured orcs in Warhammer, to those that don't know, are the sneaky ones. So orcs in Warhammer get their powers from the colours that they think of. So their imaginations are kind of like their superpower, and I'm all for that. And yeah, purple represents stealth, and they're the stealthiest orcs in the whole universe. And no one's ever seen a purple orc before, because they're that sneaky. Thank you very much, Michael and Chinese Salazar. Kia ora. Thank you very much. Yeah, because from what I've seen, all the orcs in Skyrim are all like, you know, armored up. So I'm gonna be their cloaked up, you know, cloaked up orc that just crouches through like groups of people and pretends he's sneaky when everyone can actually see him. Yeah, something silly anyway. Can see in fed. I don't know if this is too controversial, but there are a lot of Finnish people who would rather identify as Eurocentric nationalists. In reality, Finns are not Indo-European, but... Oh, okay. Oh, I don't know. I barely know anything about that. But cheer. Cheer to them. Weasley! Thank you very much for the galaxy, Weasley. and hard as well, and SA and Chinese sellers again. Weasley! Thank you very much, brother. Thank you very, very much for the aroha, my bro. And to all those on Twitch as well, appreciate all the aroha there. And everyone on YouTube and Kick too, as always. Kia ora, kia ora, kia ora. Weasley! Thank you for the galaxy. Loved you since 2022. What's up, my brother? Appreciate you, G. What are you working on? I hate Tiki right now. So all we're really doing with it is we're in the cleaning phase. So we're kind of just, you know, mapping out what needs to be cleaned, how does it need to be cleaned, just so we can progress forward. Where are we? This is a W find. Oh, cheer, brother Mark. Cheer, my bro. Okay. So I think what we'll do is let me do a little bit more cleaning, and then if you want, you can have some yarns, eh? I don't mind. As I mentioned earlier, once again, if you ever want to talk about, you know, anything that might be eating you up, and you don't know, you don't trust anyone enough to open up, feel free to do it with me. Or if you do have someone to open up with, please go to them. Go to them, okay? Brody, and it's just me. Thank you very much. Wait, did I? Hang on, let me go back. All you need to do is just tell me, and then I'll scroll back and go say thank you. Thank you, Weasley! Thank you very much, brother Weasley. And Weasley... Wait, did you do 3 all up, Weasley? Thank you very much, N, for the slow motion and the koala fuel. Holy cow, Weasley! Thank you for the 3 galaxies, my bro. And also, Era for the 2 roses, Baddie for the perfume. Fingers, Mark for the fingers. Thank you very much, Weasley. What motivates you to be kind? Why not? You know? People get a kick out of being assholes these days, and well, I'm not really here to be an asshole. Weasley again, bro. Daniel, thank you for the ice cubes. Thank you for the ice cubes, Daniel. Holy shit, my bro. Thank you, Weasley, once again, bro. Holy shit, Tucky. I'm paying $8 for the first one. Oh, just... I don't know. DM people or just give it to them instead of announcing it. Jeez. We know it's a troll, guys, but I mean, come on. Thank you very much, Weasley. You absolute weapon, my bro. Absolute weapon. Thank you very, very much, brother. Thank you, Niana, for the heart puffs too. And it's just me for the roses. How we doing, guys? Could you read my previous 2 comments? I think you would find them interesting. Okay. You should look at Ulrich peoples, Arctic Europe, who are Europe's only indigenous people. Oh, are they? True. That's pretty handy. Daniel and Ollie, thank you very much. I didn't know that. But yeah, I read your other comment, bro. So let me just go to the corner cam since we're having some yarns for now. I wanna be the very best. No one ever was. I didn't realize how much of a dickhead that guy is now, eh? The one who done the first opening for Pokemon? Bro, he's actually quite a shit stain now, eh? He's an actual dick now. No wonder they got other people to sing the intro. Yo, Devil Dolphin! Thank you very much for the Optimus Prime for 5 months, my brother. Welcome back once again, good sir. How are you? Hope you're well and swell, my brother. A huge one. Yeah, I didn't realise how much of a dickhead he was. He's a bit of an ass, man. Thank you very much, Any Bag, for the roses. Kia ora. I see you, my bro. What did he do to be a bad person? So he signed a kid's card, like it was an expensive Gengar card, eh? And he took the expensive Gengar card and swapped it for a fake one, and he put his signature on it and he gave it to the kid. And he's constantly denying that he did that, and then he did a video with the actual Gengar card in it with him, bro. It's like crazy. I was like, holy. Yeah, so he done something like that. Love from Ireland. Kia ora, my bro. How are you in Ireland, brother? Yeah, so that's something that I saw, you know, going around, because the only card person that I've been watching lately is Beard Dad cards. He's someone that I've been watching with the kids, and yeah, seeing all that come to light is he's a bit ratchet, eh? Hi from Virginia. Kia ora. Louis, thank you very much for the rose. Hold on, guys, I'm just looking at this. The hard part that's going to be clean, the hard part to clean on this carving will be under the arm, from what I can see. Yeah, just from what I can see. You bring peace to my soul, as long as you are good. Is that Emmy? I see that. Hold on, let me read your name properly. Oh, it is Emmy. Thank you very much for the 40. Oh, is that 90 heart puffs? Thank you, Emmy. I'm not good at maths, so I hope that's it. Thank you, Emmy. I hope you have a beautiful day. I hope you have an even better day, though. And if you say you have a better day, I'm probably going to say it back, because yeah, this is the kind of tennis that I will play all day, okay? I even do it at the supermarket when the lady says, have a good day. I no, you have a good day. It's like, oh, that's good. Have a good day. And then she goes, have a good day. And I'm like, just stop talking so I can have the win. God bless you. Much love to you, brother. You're the streamer that didn't want the dono, right? How you, Teeny Beanie? How you doing? Much love from Ireland. Kia ora, brother. Yes, there's 3 particular. So as I mentioned, I'm getting into TCG with my daughter, and I've found the first 3 cards that I want to chase for. They're these what is that? It's a corgi. Thank you very much for the Fire Pit Corgi. Thank you very, very much, brother Chase. Rock sign. There he is, all the way from Texas. Cheer, my bro. I got these guns from Texas. I call them Destroy. Behold my stuff. I love that part in the movie, man. I already feel better. As long as you feel better, bro. That's the main thing. That's always the main thing. Just want to make sure you're all good, bro. You know, one step at a time. It's not gonna happen immediately. Yeah. Your dad used to do it in his prime. Oh, much love to Dad, bro. Love Thor. Yeah, Thor's one of my favorite Marvel heroes as well, along with the Hulk. But yeah, probably Thor more. Because Hammer, that's the only reason. Is that Martin? Thank you very much for the roses, my bro. He's pretty much the only reason why I like Thor majority of the time, because Hammer. Hope you're having a blessed day. Much love to you too, brother Talon. Yo, Dave Dritty, thank you for the love, my bro. How we doing, Twitch? You's all good too? I hope you's on. Yeah, we'll have a yarn for a couple more minutes and then we'll get onto it. You wanted the... Oh yeah, so the 3 cards that I'm gonna be on the lookout for, it's a Bulbasaur, Ivysaur and a Mega Venusaur. They're like got fluoro bright colors and the back is black. They look cool. I like them because, I'll be honest, I'm collecting for the art pretty much. I like the art cards. Like even if there's a $3 card that's got cool art, I'll probably get it. So there's these 3, there's that line. I know there's a Pokemon Generations pack that has the 3 starters in it. But that's a bit pricey. Hey, happy birthday, MCR Louis. Hope you have a beautiful day today, my bro. Most of all, keep safe while you celebrate your day too, okay? Happy birthday, brother. Happy birthday. I remember you. I hope everything is going well. Yeah, bro, I lost a little bit of my stomach. Not so much from surgery, but from sweat and training. And eating healthy, pretty much. It's been good. So I'm at, I'm pretty much, I started at 146 kgs. I'm at 119 now. Does DC Marvel have a Maori superhero? Well, there is one Marvel hero by the name of Kiwi Black. He's actually a Marvel hero from here, and if you want to Google it, he will come up. And apparently, he is Nightcrawler's brother. Yeah, Kiwi Black. He actually looks like, yeah, he looks a bit funny. Yo, second charge, GG. Thank you for the Optimus Prime for 4 months, my brother. Appreciate you, my bro. Yeah, so that's yeah, that's his name, Kiwi Black. I ain't gonna lie, that's a shit name, but hey, whatever. In terms of DC, I don't believe there is. Well, I don't know, unless Nanawe counts, because he's like Polynesian. What's your favorite poor food from growing up? Poor food? Shit. I think, you know, when the times were getting hard, one thing that I always enjoyed was the cabin bread. If you don't know what cabin bread is, chat, it's like these hard cracker, like square crackers, and they were normally the last thing in the cupboard when we were running low on our food. There was a moment where, you know, this is my childhood back then. Where I'm from, it's like high up in the hills kind of thing, and we got snowed in for about 6 months in the winter, and the snow didn't really melt away till the end of summer, like the ice blocks that were on the side of the road from ploughing through. And yeah, that was the last thing in our cupboards that we had, and we pretty much had to go hunting after that. What's another one? Chip bread. If you don't know what a chip bread is, chat, it's 2 pieces of bread with potato chips in the middle, slam it together, crunchy sandwich. Another one would be eggs, and we'd mix an egg in it to make our own homemade egg, what is it? Egg foo young, is that it? Yeah, we'd mix it up with an egg. Yeah, so yeah, if you're ever, you know, outside of Aotearoa, New Zealand, and you got 2 pieces of bread and some potato chips, make one and tell me what you think. Go-to meal. I'll be honest, I'm a bit of a basic person these days, because I don't eat for taste anymore. I just eat for results. Just a steak and a salt, my bro. I had bluebird chip sandwiches the other day. Oh, bro, they say I wish I could have one right now. I'm in the point of my diet where I really knuckle down and get a bit more strict. There isn't any real superheroes from your culture? Oh yeah? Need to start my own comic book. Oh yeah, there's something you can invest your time into. Noodle sandwich is another one. Yeah, hot noodles, bread, wham! Smash it back. Yes, that is a mecca combination right there. Are you the guy from the sub this year? Give back. What's up, Cole? How you doing, brother? Give me a steak and baked potatoes, and you got the best human for a month. The reject shop is the only place in Oz I've found. Wait, really? Yeah, I heard there's like NZ themed shops there, eh? Do you play rugby? Nah, not anymore, brother. I have not played rugby in a long time. Long time. Yeah, pie bread. Yeah, pie sandwich. So if you don't know, chat, we have these things. I know we have quite an international audience. We have these things called meat pies, steak and cheese sandwich, mince and cheese sandwich, you know, bacon and egg pie, smoked fish pie, etc., etc. Now, what we would do is, you know, these are like low income mecca food combinations that we used to have as kids. We'd get a pie and put it between two pieces of bread. Pie sandwich. What's your favourite pie? I'm steak and cheese, bro. Nothing too crazy for me. The noodle sandwich. Yeah, nah, we still smash the noodle sandwiches here, bro, in our house. Like, I don't really eat noodles that much these days. But yeah, when the kids have noodles, bro, when they're like, Dad, can we just have noodles for tea? I'm like, oh, where's the bread? I'm having one. I am having one. Are you a fan of pro wrestling? Yeah, Roman Reigns, Jacob Fatu. Probably my two favourites right now. Brock Lesnar. If we go back Attitude Era, then yeah, that's kind of the times in wrestling that I loved the most. Drunk Stone Cold Steve Austin was a vibe. Even though he probably wasn't drunk, but still. When he used to raise hell against Mr. McMahon, those are some funny moments, eh? No idea about wood carving, but this is an impressive job. Hey, thank you very much, good sir. Yeah, so this is a Heitiki, my bro. Oh, I'll show you a little something else I'm carving on the side too. Let me just do this. So I'm carving this thing for my wife. It may look like a devil fruit to some, okay? So I'm making a jewellery box for my wife. So here we go. So here's the two lids here. This is the bottom, obviously. And it's fully carved. Pretty much what I'm up to. Yeah, so this is going to be a jewellery box for my wife, this whole thing. So this is the top. It's going to have Hinemoa and two Tanekai on the bottom, who are two prominent ancestors here. And many people within Rotorua are actually descendants of that line as well. So yeah, that's what I've been up to on the side too, doing a gift for my wife. I might actually try and finish it before her birthday. So she's a New Year's Eve baby. Oh, how about I show you this? Thank you very much, Rowan and Hohen. Hey, there's rhymes. So this is just something like a fully designed jewellery box that I'm doing for my wife. It does look like a devil fruit, eh? Who was that? We're playing Skyrim music? Yes, sir. Shuka Rake, thank you for the Optimus Prime, good sir. Thank you very much to those subbing to the Twitch channel too. As we get back to try and smash out our sub goal. So yeah, a little thing that I'm trying to plan too is obviously I do want to try and do a GTA 6 marathon. When does this game release? We do not know. Owen, thank you very much for the You're Awesome. Was that what it says? Oh, popular. Sorry. Sorry, my bro. Popular. You gonna be popular. Thank you for the Katie pie, my bro. We'll be out in 2050, 35. Bro, it's taking so long, eh? I hope it's soon. November. Okay, that's good. I just hope it's not November the 11th, because that's my daughter's birthday. So it's going to be my big girl August, me, then young one November, then wifey December. I don't know if any other parents do this. So what I've been doing when I have, normal conversations with the kids. Are you a dad by any chance? Can you give me advice on how to become a good and great dad preparing newborns? Okay, lucky I saw that. Okay, my bro. So, the way I kind of see it, I've been a dad for about 6 years. I'm a father of three girls, by the way. I would say, don't take me this the wrong way. I think when, people are about to become parents, no one's ever really prepared for it until the day. So I guess what you can do before then, thank you for the 183 roses, no name. Holy shiitake, and restrained as well. Thank you for the roses, guys. Thank you. Sorry if I'm crossing my arms, I'm trying to stay warm. So I guess the best things you can do, as you prepare for baby. The one thing you want to get, bro, is probably, nappies or diapers, whatever you want to call them. Just some clothes, my bro. And a bassinet. A bassinet is something I know it can be really daunting. I'll be honest, me and my wife, we got all our stuff off Facebook Marketplace. We didn't buy brand new. Yeah, we got all our stuff off Facebook Marketplace. So yeah, all you can really do to prepare, brothers, buy the necessities that you need. Whether wifey will, do formula or, I'm not sure if I should say it, because, it's up to you guys at the end of the day. Breastfeed. I think the main thing for you to do, my bro, is just be there for your wife, bro. When baby's eventually there, be as present as you can be for your wife or your partner, my bro. Like when all three of my daughters were born, the main thing that I always put first was my wife's well-being, and obviously the baby too. One of my biggest fears, as you know, the father was postpartum depression. Because it is a real thing for our wahine out there. Shout out to all our ladies, They do the hardest thing most of all. They give their bodies up for these 9 months. And their appearance may change. And, things may happen up here. So, for me, I think the best thing for you to do to prepare for baby, other than buying the necessities that you need, is being there for your wife or your partner, bro. Yeah, so not every man is the same, but for me, like when my wife is about to give birth, I don't give a fuck about myself, eh? Like obviously I just need to sleep, that's it. Like I always tended to her needs and the baby's needs before my own. Because yeah, her mental health is something I prioritized at the time when she gave birth to our kids. And I shouldn't say this, but there were moments, where she found it hard. But being there and being present for your significant other is the thing that'll change that all the time. So that's why, I always give it up to the ladies, They do the hard yards. We're just there to help when we can. And when my babies were born, my bro, I kind of took the night shift. So when the only thing our wives should do when it comes to the night is wake up, feed, we change the baby, burp the baby and put them back to sleep. And then we go back to sleep ourselves. So that, yeah, it's that's kind of the routine that I did. I was just always present, you know, there wasn't much sleep, but I'm a bit of a night owl anyway. I changed up my sleeping patterns for her. Told us to have our babies in their own room at night for day one. And them home instead of sleeping our room. Glad we did, because all three of our sons sleep through the night. Yeah. That's the same with, like, although we didn't have a house big enough to do that, yeah, we kind of just pushed them in the corner. But I was that father too, you know, when you bring baby home and you're looking at them and we can't see that. You know, you can't see them breathing and you're like... That was me. I was that dad too. And so one thing I did, there's this one shirt I kept for all three of our girls, and it had a glitter strip across the stomach, and I always made them wear it before bed. And when I look at them and I see the glitter move, I'm like, oh, they're breathing. That was always my one thing. I was like, please tell me you're breathing, Gil. Yeah, breathe. I'm a geek though. I'm Greek though. Huh? What I mean by that is young people, eh? I can't be around, you know, a loud ass crowd anymore because I get annoyed. I'll use always loud. Oh, okay. It also helps if they cry at night and need help. It should help them instead of mama, if mama picks them up. Yeah, that's what I pretty much did. If she woke up, I just tell her go back to sleep. Or she'll feed and I'll just stay up and wait, and then yeah, burp the baby. Burp the baby, sing songs till she went to bed. That's the one thing I did with all my kids. I sang to them. And so now when they're tired, you know, I just sing to them again. Just the one little thing I did for myself. Yeah, I hope the bro is still here. I hope he's still here. Oh yeah, I'm the 10th. Check my bro. Yeah, that's probably the one thing. Definitely the one thing for me. But yeah, to those that are expecting soon, to the brothers out there, be there for your wifey, okay? Because it does happen. I notice babies love water sounds. Yeah, I think sound in general way. That's pretty much the reason why I sang to all my kids and put them to sleep. My son was sleeping, but I couldn't see him breathing. I would squeeze his little belly. Yeah, sometimes what I used to do with our first girl. So one day, I think it was in the first week, because with our first daughter, she was actually born 3 weeks early, so she had just made full term. But yeah, she was born a little bit early. She was born on the same day as her cousin actually. And sorry, just moving it off the timber. Yeah, she was born 3 days. Oh, she was born the same day as my niece, my wife's brother's daughter. And so they were born on the same day. I was telling my wife, bro, something doesn't feel right. Like, she thought she was having Braxton Hicks, but yeah, there were contractions. And then I went, oh, okay, go and support your brother and go and see your niece. Thank you very much for the roses, my bros. And, you know, go and support your niece. It's all good. And then I get a call the next morning, baby's coming. I went, oh yeah, okay, that's all good, because I was half asleep. And she goes, no, our baby's coming. I fucking told you. What's your hoodie for? So this is the haka group I was a part of. Te Rotorua Nui Kahumata Momoi, this group here. That's the group that I performed with this year. And yeah, she was pretty much born the same day as the niece, pretty much. Oh, okay. Are we good now? I'll explain it again. I don't mind. Love the design? Check my bro. What is that? Oh, my kid's egg stain from this morning. She bit an egg and it went. It's like a little shit. Hold up. So, are you here, Ruggish? I'll wait till you're here and then I'll explain it again. Tēnā koe le phantasma. Ara moana, tēnā koe. Awe, oh, you work with Te Pō? Hey, shout out to the curls. I figured he was a great dad. Trying to be, my bro. Trying to be. Not me here, huh? Gee, I haven't seen the cuz in a while. I'm planning on coming up to watch a me tai too, but it's gonna be for a YouTube video. Just gotta find the time to do so. So I'm gonna go around Rotorua and check out all the concerts and showcase all of them on my channel. Pretty keen to do that. Hope the cuzzy's doing well. Adopt me, brother, even though I'm 30. Stephanie, thank you very much for the hearts as well. And Money Main, appreciate you, brother. Thank you. Okay, there we go. Money Main. Okay, I think Ruggish might be here unless we've got to wait for the 3 minutes. Thank you, Salami and Skippy. Tēnā kōrua. Hello, Nikita. So I'm just trying to get a natural roll on this neck. Is it cold in the power? Oh, it's cold, bro. It is cold. It is cold, my bro. My back has been freezing since we started the stream. But my non-negotiables that I always do unless family things come up, bro, is to get a stream in. Nonetheless, you waited for me? Yeah, pretty much. Are you back now? What are you carving, cuz? He's just a heitiki, my bro. Are you back now? You're good. Yeah, shusha. Sorry, silly bird. Rip Oliver Tree. Yep, we got told about 2 hours and a bit ago. I'll be honest, I've never listened to his music. Sorry. Looks nice, thank you, my bro. Okay. So, the birth of my first daughter actually starts with my wife wanting to go and see her niece being born in her and my sister-in-law, and she was actually in a little bit of pain at the time, and she thought it was Braxton Hicks. We'll get to that shortly. Well, my niece was born early hours the next day, and I get a phone call from my wife to tell me, and then she goes, "Baby's coming," and me being half asleep thinking it was the niece, and then well, she said, "No, our baby's coming." And she was born 3 weeks early on the same day as my niece, or our niece, I should say, my brother-in-law's daughter. Ezorion, thank you for the Optimus Prime, my bro. Thank you very, very much, brother. And keep in mind, okay? We only had one car. We only had one car. And they had taken said car to go and see baby. Rudism, hope you're doing good, my bro. So yeah, let's keep that in mind, okay? Bro, why are you copying me? Who's copying you? Someone's copying you? Thank you, Ayush. Yeah, we only had one car, and well, I couldn't get to them. So my own kid being born, yeah, pretty much. Who's copying who? Yo, thank you very much, Sir Buskin, for the Galaxy Maori. Buskin Robbins, there we go. Thank you very much, and George and Missy, thank you very much for the Galaxy, brother. You have been really kind today. Ruggish, thank you for the 4 months. No more ads for me. God, Ruggish, thank you very much. So baby was on the way, and she was born 3 weeks early, on the same day as my niece, and I'm stuck here in Rotorua, not able to get to her. And so my father-in-law come over to get me and my mum at the time, because you know her first moko was on the way. And yeah, had baby in Whakatane on the same day as the niece, pretty much. Thank you, George. So yeah, she was a bit of a story with our first daughter. So our niece was born in the morning, and our baby was born in the afternoon. Then our second child, she was born 8:20. She was born at 8:20 p.m. on the 20th of the 11th, 2020. So yeah, 20s is her number. 20 is her number by the looks of it. And yeah, all the 20s on her birth certificate as well. What are you making now? We are doing bro as the trusted adult. What do you mean? So yeah, some unique situations. Ruggish, oh my gosh, thank you very much for the 5 bomb. If you got one of those gifted subs, a thank you from Captain Gizmo, Tidsius, it's Master B, Rocket Powered Turtle, and the Sticky Finger. Thank you very much, Ruggish. You didn't need to do that. You subbed yourself. I was just explaining baby stories. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you. If you got one of those, please give a thank you. Hello there, Europe. How are you doing, good sir? Still live? Yes, I am. How are you? Do you have a website? I don't, brother Jaden. I don't, brother. So my reasonings for not wanting to have one is I would rather, you know, say someone wanted a piece. I'd rather have that talk with them myself as opposed to having a website or a shop. Because for me, the way I think about it, if I had those things, it takes away a connection I could make with someone, you know. And I prefer to do that more. Yo, Max and also Jesse, thank you very much for the roses and the heart, my bro. So the closest thing I have to a display thingy is my Instagram. What's up, Valoon? How are you, my brother? Thank you very much, Ruggish. And our third baby, she was just born, that's all. Nothing too crazy with her. The only thing with our kids is obviously, you know, I'm of darker complexion and my wife's a bit fair. So the easiest way for me to explain my kids is 2 Cocoa Pops and 1 rice bubble. Yeah. That's the easiest way for me to explain it. Okay, I think I've got a nice angle now. Yep. Sorry about the user. Cheer my bro. No, I'm not watching the World Cup, my bro. I'll be honest, I don't really watch that sport. I'm sorry to those that do. Thank you very much, Stick. And Santa Claus as well. Where are we? Favorite sport? NFL. NFL, league and rugby. And whenever Faker's playing. Thank you very much, Codesman and Kirsten Phillies. Thank you very much, guys. Imagine having that hairstyle IRL. I think in terms of cleaning, we're done with this whole side, eh? I think we're finished. The only parts we need to clean is in the armpits. So we support rugby? Yeah. Where are we? Favorite sports? What's that? Present? What's that? Yeah, we don't really need to do anything else to this other than cleaning in the armpit areas. So that's all good. So all we got to do now is clean the other side. Oh, Justin. Thank you very much, Maddie. Cheer my bro. Who do you go for? The Eagles. Because of Jordan. Jordan Mailata. He's my favourite player. Okay, now we got to do the other side. The exact same thing. Thank you. Is it JO3? Do you have a religion? I only believe in my own people's gods, brother. Like the Maori gods, pretty much. You know, I don't really follow a religion that wasn't brought here by my own people. You know, that may have come on another boat. That's just me, but you know, each to their own. I'm not gonna try and run at you with a pitchfork if you don't believe in Maori gods. Everyone has their own thing, brother. Each to their own, my friend. Each to their own. Thank you, JD and Philly. Someone said he dropped the Galaxy. I'm going to go back. I do apologize. Thank you, Jugs, for the donuts. Thank you very much to JO3 for the roses. Jugs again. Jugs for the Galaxy. I'm sorry I missed that, my bro. Very, very sorry I missed your Galaxy, brother. Thank you very much for the Aroha too. And Pix and Forever as well. Where are we? I can't wait for the 2031 World Cup to come to America every time the All Blacks... Oh, is it in America? True. See how out of the loop I am? Wow, that'll be a mean World Cup to go to, eh? True, it's in America, eh? Sure, okay. Yeah, I've been so out of the loop with everything lately. Just been usually offline chat when the when the stream's off, or just chilling, watching all the kids do their thing. Yo, what's up, Jiggy? I come across another Kanaka streamer. She raided the channel. Her name's Blossom. She's a carver as well. Oh well, I mentioned you to her. That we had a Kanaka, another Kanaka whanonga in here that usually turns up. New Zealand's playing tomorrow. Oh, true. I'll probably stay in bed, bro. Did you play rugby growing up? Yeah, I was a prop. Just because I ran straight. Yo, Brinks, no, thank you very much for the rose, brother. If I thought about going to NHL games in Oz. NHL, what, like, what's those ones? That's the... Okay, is that confusing one where they can bounce the ball and they got the 3 goalposts? It's like, what the hell? He's running with the ball, but he's bouncing it. Do you know Big E? Big E as in new. Day rocks. That one. Wait, hockey. Yeah, I was going, hey. What do you mean AFL? Fuck yeah. Kamusta. Still on holiday, my bro. You deserve everything you achieve, legend. We all do. Everyone that can hear me, okay? So go out and get it. One thing I love about being Brox is seeing everyone from the communities, you know, make strides outside of the stream. So when you come back in, hey, I achieved this, I may have got, you know, a job, may have passed this test, those things, man. Your favourite restaurant? Oh, I don't have one. Aloha from Georgia. Hey, what's up, whananga? Yeah, I don't have one. I don't eat out at restaurants that much, my bro. First time I went to a restaurant after, you know, probably like maybe a year was over the weekend because my brother-in-law was leaving the country to go and work in the mines. He got hired over there. He's a certified welder, so he's going to do some stuff over there. So all the best to him. NZ has a game at 10:30. Bro, I'm in bed at 10:30. Having a doom... No, I'm not doom scrolling before bed now. I'm shiny hunting. How times have changed. Put the phone down and put the switch on the couch and just hold the Joy-Con till I get tired. I gotta say, man, shiny grinding from a distance is a vibe. Just sit in bed and Thank you very much, Tyler, for the rose. Jacob, hello, brother. It's me. How are you? Okay. Yo, Razor, how many peeps on your side, my bro? What are you doing? We are doing a Hey Tiki, Yo Coulter and Jesse. Thank you very much for the aloha, guys. Good morning, mate. Well, good morning, the two ninja emojis. How are you, brother? I also believe in Miami was gods, but I'm mostly agnostic. Oh yeah? Is that what it is? Cheer, brother. DGR12. Cheer, my bro. Get a few more cuts in. I also got that chameleon game, guys. That one when you paint yourself and you hide. I need to have some community games of that. I think it'll be fun. I think it'll be a really fun game. Yeah, you got it too, Jiggy? Crazy thing about this World Cup is Messi and Ronaldo. Oh, true. How's it been going so far? I know a lot of the time when it comes to like soccer World Cup, say people thirst over the ladies in the crowd, like that one American one that's going viral. That one American ladies photo that's going viral. What was that? That's a dog. Yeah, we're playing it and it's so hilarious. Yeah, I need to get in on that too. try and organise some games with everyone if you're down, Jiggy. I'm keen to just have a laugh. There we go. Where are we? Especially the tabloids. What's that for? Soccer? I'm down whenever. Yeah, I'll hit you up. Gonna take a while to clean this side up. Where are we? I haven't seen any of the Soccer World Cup matches here, but I've been seeing a spot of how much people from the countries and learning about enjoying how America really is. Sorry, my employer was talking to me what I need to do. Your employee? Wait, are you a boss there? Food, this walla. Bit of a bauhi. W-Mans, love you King, hope you are. Yo brother Wyatt, appreciate you too my brother. Thank you for the dinosaurs too, I just saw that. What are you making? We are carving a Heitiki my bro, I will show you. TikTok, I do have to say that it is coming to that time where my TikTok streams are about to end due to how flat the phone is. So this is what we're up to my bro, we're in the cleaning process right now of this. So this side is clean, all done. We're just doing this side now. So that's the side we're up to. Thank you, it's G Money Full. Cheer, bro. Kia ora, bro. Thank you. Thank you, Cran. Yeah, so we're just cleaning this up, my bro. And it's pine. Pine is what it's made out of. Alright, TikTok. It is coming to that time there where my phone is getting flat. I do want to say... Oh, and I'll just leave it till we got 10%, eh? Yeah, I'll leave it till we got 10%. Oh, good. I just don't want to be that guy that cuts out Steve-O! And Alonso, thank you very much as well. Okay, one moment. Yeah, I'll leave it till it's like almost about to turn off. Then I'll finish that TikTok stream. Yeah, I'll just do that. My cat is growing and it... Yo, Mateo! Yo, what's up, my brother? Damn, you're finishing up early. Is this when you normally finish, brother? Thank you very much for the raid, my bro. Yo, thank you, Smokey and Cappy, for the follow. Really a part-timer? What you mean part-timer? Hold on. What is this? What is this certified PRG saying about me? What's he saying? You throwing shade at me right now? Sounded like Tina. Oh, you're calling him a part-timer. I thought you called me a part-timer. Nah, you're good, my brother. You all know what he's gonna do now, eh, guys? You're gonna go to Costco. He's gonna get him a Costco pizza. Gonna sit on his couch. He's gonna finish it. And he's gonna finish himself off at the same time before bed. Hey, you know what I mean? You said it, man. You said it. You said you was the one doing that thing on your couch. I was there. I was in that stream. Hold on right now. They close the food before he gets there. I ain't gonna lie, I've never had the desire to have a Costco pizza till I met the bro. And I'm like, there's a Costco here, and I might try it just to see, you know, what all the fuss is about. What all the fuss is about. I appreciate all the follows, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you. Welcome through. My name's Brox. I'm a traditional Maori woodcarver. You probably see me in the city now and again. I don't RP with Mateo though, because he's too busy. Hey, too busy doing other stuff. Never RPs with me anymore. I just get his number and never hear from him again. Has to call extra employees. Yeah, I never hear from him. Just gives me his number and he's gone. You don't want to do the boring shit I've been doing. Yeah, I've been seeing that. I've been seeing it. The old logistics. That's pretty cool. You guys are doing something different though, bro. I give it up to you guys for that. Like me too. I took it a 4.0 update, a little bit different, and it's been fun. It's been real fun. Finally got my first vehicle in game. I gotta show you the Bulbasaur, my bro. Gotta show you the Bulbasaur. You should be in Streamer University. No, thank you. I'm in my quiet dad era. I don't like being around loud young people. Because the dad in me will want to come out and say, you know, shut up. So yeah, it's better I watch that instead. I ain't gonna lie. Streamer University is crazy. You should apply, bro. I'd say. Yeah, me personally though, yeah, nah, I'm good. I'm good. All power to them though. I'll say that much. Thank you, Joe, for the rose. What are you making? We're carving a Heitiki. Thank you, Kyle, for the soccer ball, and user for the dinosaurs as well. Yeah, that's all I'm gonna say is, you know, just apply and give it a go. You never know till you try. But yeah, the only trip I'm planning on making to America this year is in September. I'll be in California. I'll be in California for the weekend. And then I'm going straight home. You would be a great wood teacher. I would say that the youth of this generation do not have the patience for this. I could see Rakai folding to this, Ray, Ty Little, all of them. Fandom probably get too hungry to even try, so yeah. There'll be no girls in the class, so Duke won't even be there, so let's be honest. Yo, what's up, Okuti? What's up, Mika Stardust? First time catching her live. Kia ora. Kia ora, Mika. Tiff Cree, thanks for the licks. Appreciate everyone for the comments over on Kick2 and all the follows. I still don't know how that KPP thing works. That's what I got. KPP, I think. And then there's KCIP, whatever the hell that is. I'm still learning. Alright. What day in September? If you live in California and you know what event is in September, you're probably thinking of the same one. Sorry to be cryptic, but I have to. Thank you, Carter. James Carter. James Carter. Yeah, so this is all we've been cleaning up Kick, and to everyone that's come through from Mateo's stream. This Heitiki here is all we're up to. It's a gift for someone from the chat. So I think something that I'll have to do for my Kick channel too is the free carving redemption thing there. If you save up enough points as well. So I think we'll have to do that too. Duke probably invented wood back in the Jurassic period. How old is Duke Dennis? Been trying to find this man for years. What's up, Patty MC? Yeah, how old is Duke? Taiki te wātina. Aye, 12-12, my bro. 12-12. What's for lunch? Rice. 100 grams of rice. 200 grams of chicken. Oh, he unk. Born in BBC. BC, fella thinking about BBC. You nasty beast. High protein building. Yeah, brother. Have to. I heard chicken. Yeah. It's plain Jane chicken though. I'm just all I eat for is results, not taste anymore. But it's been good. It's been really good. Okay. Fuck, my hands are cold, man. Alright, TikTok. Yeah, my phone's on 5% now. So if you want to come through and make sure you're watching any of the other streams. So Twitch, Kick and YouTube. TikTok is what I stream on. Monday to Friday, okay? If you aren't following the Instagram or the TikTok, please do so now. And the Facebook now. I just made a Facebook last week and we hit 10k followers last night. So thank you very much for all the support on the Facebook. And thank you very much everyone on TikTok for the gifties today. Absolutely crazy amount of support on TikTok and 276.7k likes. Far out. Thank you very much, TikTok. Have a good one. I'll see you all tomorrow, same time. And peace out. Have a good one. See you later. Alrighty. What's the time? Okay. He unk is crazy. How we doing, guys? How we doing? Yeah, there will be us all together as well. Everyone that's still live here. Who's live right now? Oh, the bro's live on Kick. Okay, one of my bros that I stream with on Prodigy is live. He's got one viewer, so I'm gonna send everyone on Kick to him. Yeah, I know Solly's live, but I want to raid the bro because I want him to get a bit of aroha on Kick too. So I'm gonna send everyone over to the bro Noho, who's streaming Prodigy RP as well. He's one of the bros, and he's someone I stream with as well when it comes to the city. So I'm gonna host him. Go show some love to him, please, whānau. It would be much appreciated. Have a good day. Appreciate you, Kick fans. And I'll see you later. Yeah, I hope I do it right. Did I do it right? Let's go. Have a good one. Appreciate yous. Bye bye. Peace out. I'm getting pretty good at raiding on Kick. Alrighty. Alright, beautiful peoples. That is going to be us for today. I hope you enjoyed the stream. Twitch and YouTube. Thank you very much for the aroha today. I am going to go inside and have some lunch. And I will probably go to the gym. Yeah. What's the plans for today? I'm thinking chest and tries. Hey, Drongo! Chima bro. Also, congratulations for becoming a Twitch ambassador too, bro. Hope you enjoyed it over there in the EU TwitchCon as well, brother. So that is going to be us. Yeah, lunchtime for me. And I'm going to clean up what I have left to do from this morning. Have a good one. Peace out. Look after yourselves. And make sure, you know. Okay, some wise words for the day. Here we go. Some wise words. Or some parting words from me, okay? Have a good day. There's someone out there that shit their pants somewhere out in the world, and that could have been you. So make sure you have a good day. See you later. I should probably see who we should raid, eh? I forgot about that. I didn't think far ahead. Hang on. Sorry, hang on. I didn't think too far ahead. Hang on. Hang on. Hang on. I'll send you over to Cutie now. Okay, have a good day, guys. GG's. How do you spell her name? Oh, yeah. Have a good day. Have a good day. Remember, don't be the guy that shit his pants. Peace out. Have a good one. Peace out. A-Town. Bye.